Hello everyone, we're here in downtown Guymon, Oklahoma, and I'm going to show you the older style traffic signals that are all throughout the town. This section over here is in downtown, and we have the old style you can see with incandescent bulbs. You can see right there the green, it doesn't look very vibrant, it's kind of washed out. There's the yellow, and there's the red, you can see it. It's pretty dim since they're incandescent. And then you can see on this one, you can hardly see the green from this point of view. And we have the old walk and don't walk signs. The pedestrian signals here don't use the newer flashing red-handed walking person pictogram symbols. Here's a close-up of this pedestrian signal. And then there's the don't walk flashing. It's kind of hard to see it. Over there you can make out the letters a little bit more for don't walk. That signal isn't as dim, but it's still hard to make out the letters because the lens is faded. So there's this other cross street, and we're gonna cross right now. And you can see it's flashing right there. And there's the other signal. So yeah, over here they have pretty much all incandescent traffic signals. Only a few have been replaced with LED. And almost all have the word-based pedestrian signals instead of the new pictogram style. And here's another traffic signal as viewed from the northeast corner of this intersection. Here it looks like we're right across from the Guymon City Hall right there. Pretty interesting downtown. They have cobblestone or red brick streets here in downtown Guymon. So that's going to be it for this video showing vintage traffic signals in downtown Guymon, Oklahoma. Thanks for watching everyone. Be sure to check out other videos on my channel. There's some more travel videos from this trip. And get subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos.